Greetings, William Crane, CEO of IndustryStar here. Do you need to reduce the cost of a complex product assembly? There are several reasons, from creating customer proposals, to developing new products, to improving production profitability. Several dependencies must be considered simultaneously. Like a quarterback can call an audible to change a play, IndustryStar's supply performance software offers multiple plays to accelerate your goals. To support supply chain leaders, our team crafted the Product Cost Optimization PCO Playbook. The playbook offers 3 winning plays to accelerate your team's results and at zero risk to you. 1, when we assess your product and identify $100,000 of savings, and you move forward with our software solution, our $5,000 assessment fee is credited back to you. 2, if you don't move forward with our software solution, you pay our assessment fee and keep our playbook. And 3, if we cannot find $100,000 in savings, you keep our assessment fee and our savings ideas. Email me at info@industrystar.com to explore if the PCO playbook could accelerate your product cost optimization goals. Here's to developing complex product assemblies at the optimal cost in the days ahead.